Hi everyone, it's Mai and welcome to my kitchen in Tokyo. 皆さんこんにちは、Mai です。Today I want to talk about traditional Japanese energy drink called Amazake. Amazake literally means sweet sake. It is whitish and thicker than sake. It is either non-alcoholic or has very low alcohol content. Its sweetness comes from its fermentation process when the rice starch convert into sugar. Also, I want to share about its nutrition value. It's rich in glucose, which is the source of our energy, rich in vitamin B's, lots of fibers and minerals. It helps the digestion, helps the healthy skin. So there are so many benefits for women. Today, I want to use Amazake in my sweets. I'm going to make Amazake pudding, which is super easy and delicious. Let's set the steamer. I have water in my steamer and I'm going to set over high heat to boil. Make sure you have enough water because we're going to steam for 15 minutes. Here are ingredients. You need 250 ml of rice malt to Amazake. You need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 eggs, and 150 ml of milk. Let's break eggs into my bowl and I'm going to add the sugar. And I will add 1 tablespoon of sugar to my egg. And let's keep mixing until sugar is dissolved. I'm going to add my Amazake and milk to my egg. So my pudding mixture is done. I'm gonna pour my mixture into heat-proof containers over a strainer. I will reduce the heat and steam over low heat for 15 minutes. It's important that you steam over low heat to make smooth pudding. 15 minutes has passed. I'm gonna turn off the heat. Cool down to room temperature, then pop them in the fridge until very chilled. Creamy and cool, pudding makes perfect summer desserts. So Amazake pudding is complete. As I mentioned, you can get so many benefits from this Amazake. So if you can find it, please try and make your own pudding. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV. And if you find this is informative and fun, please hit like and subscribe my channel. So thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV and see you in my next video. Bye bye!